guys! Welcome back to my channel. There are 4 typical ways to say but in English, but a lot of people are making grammatical mistakes with really simple sentence structures. Let's start with the simplest one, but. But is a conjunction and the simple sentence structure is subject-verb-object, but subject-verb-object. For example, I can say, I like singing, but I hate dancing. A lot of people begin a sentence with but, and that's incorrect. You can't say, I like singing, full stop, and then start a new sentence, but I hate dancing. I'm using a very short sentence as an example here, so the problem might not be that prominent, but a lot of people, when they write very long sentences, they will put a full stop there and begin a new sentence with but, and that's incorrect. So if I really want to start a new sentence, what can I do? Here you can use the second way, which is conjunctive adverbs. Examples are however, yet, nonetheless, nevertheless, still, etc. It must follow a full stop or a semicolon, and then afterwards you have to add a comma and then SVO. So you can say something like, I like singing, full stop, however, comma, I hate dancing. Or you can say something like, I like singing, semicolon, however, comma, I hate dancing. Both are fine. So you can't use however in the middle of a sentence. You can't say something like, I like singing, however, I hate dancing. There's an exceptional case where you don't have to put a comma after however, but it no longer means but. For example, I can say, however I like singing, I won't perform in front of people. However, this no longer means however. It means no matter how much I like singing, I won't perform in front of other people. Okay, it's so confusing that I kept repeating however and but that's okay. Let's move on to the third one, which are although, though, and even though. These are also conjunctive adverbs. So the simple sentence structure is although SVO, comma, SVO. You can say, although I like singing, comma, I hate dancing. One thing to pay attention at, although cannot be used with but. So you can't say something like, although I like singing, comma, but I hate dancing. Here comes the last one, phrases. Examples are despite, in spite of, irrespective of, and regardless of. Remember not to put off after despite because a lot of people say despite of and that is wrong. So the sentence structure is despite the fact that I like singing, comma, I hate dancing. Remember that despite has to be followed by a noun. So if you want to use an SVO here, you have to say despite the fact that SVO, comma, blah blah blah. Or if you don't want to use an SVO, you can directly use a noun here. For example, despite my talent in singing, I won't perform in front of other people. So these are the 4 typical ways to express but in English. Although these may sound really simple, a lot of people are making grammatical mistakes here and there. So I really hope that this video helps. If you want me to make more videos of this kind, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. You may also follow my Instagram accounts. See you guys next time. Bye!